Hello, good afternoon everyone, welcome back with me Krishna again. So today I'm here in Kuta area and I will do motovlog again and I will update you the situations around here. This is Jalan Bakung Sari and later I will go to Jalan Raya Pantai Kuta, guys. But unfortunately in the front of us is huge traffic. I think it will be very hard for us to move, but let's go slowly. And the weather today is not really good, guys, since last night it's like rain on and off, on and off. It was a huge or big rain last night and there was storm as well. So that's why I come here. I just want to know the situations in Kuta after a big rain. And look at this, guys, this traffic is so long. I don't know when this traffic will end. I mean, maybe at the Beach Walk Mall. The traffic in Bali is so bad now because a lot of domestic tourists, they come to Bali with their own car, guys. The domestic tourists, they drive from Java and they come to Bali. As you can see here in this area, I mean, as you can see here along this street, Bakung Sari Street, there are a lot of businesses still open, like shops. And earlier I passed by a restaurant is open, and here is the Royal Regentris Hotel. It was Royal Singasari before, I think. They just changed the name. Unfortunately, we cannot go anywhere. We're stuck in the traffic. Hopefully, we can go here. We can have some space here to go. So bad traffic, guys. Here is the Ramayana Suite. As you can see, there are so many cars. I think they have a lot of guests staying at the hotel, which is good. And then in the front, as you can see from here, that is the art market in Kuta. They're still under construction, but I think it's kind of like 60% maybe. Hopefully it will finish soon so that people can come back to sell their product again. And for you that love shopping at art market, you can come back to shop here again, guys. That is how it looks like. Traffic. It's really bad actually. Okay, let's move slowly. And this is Kuta Square. Maybe most of you know about this area. And this is how is the situation. Most of the businesses are open. But unfortunately here on the left side, there are a lot of them still closed, guys. And last time someone asked me about the Matahari, what you call that shop or supermarket. They have McDonald's there, and next to McDonald's, here used to be Matahari before, but still closed. And I think they will not open again because it looks abandoned actually. Okay, so we need to go to the left here, and we are entering Jalan Pantai Kuta. But the traffic is still very bad, guys. Let's move a little bit slowly. Now it's around 6 o'clock, guys. It's sunset time actually, but the weather is not really good. As you can see, it's very cloudy, and we got rain earlier. Hopefully it will not rain again so that I can finish this video. Here is Pasar Senggol by the Grand Ina Kuta Hotel. And here on the left side, this is the Grand Ina Kuta Hotel. I think last time someone asked me about this hotel. So this is the hotel. It's a nice hotel actually. This is their gate here, and they have their pool by the beach. So if you want to go to the beach, you can just go by the pool, and then you will arrive at the Kuta beach, guys. It's quite a big wave actually. And this is Jalan Raya Pantai Kuta. It's very busy. I think it's raining in front there. Hopefully not really bad. Look at this, guys, a lot of domestic tourists that just get out from this bus. It's really cloudy in the front and also strong wind, guys. So this is what happened during the rainy season. Sometimes we have this kind of weather. I mean, it's raining, strong wind. But a few days ago it was very hot, sun was shining. And right side, the Starbucks, and next to it here is the Kuta Heritage Hotel. And next to it here, this is the food court, guys. They are open, but unfortunately still very quiet. Maybe later they will have some more people to visit their food court. This is Kuta Beach Hotel, and also they have their bar. And if you go to the right here, this is the Poppies Lane 1, guys. But this time I will just keep driving straight, and let's go and see the situations there in the front of us nearby the Beach Walk Mall. So don't go anywhere and keep watching. Here is Rosa Vivo. They have nice music. There are some tourists there, which is good. And here, if you go to the right, this is Poppies 2. There are a lot of shops open there. We are getting closer to Beach Walk Mall, guys. Look at this, guys, on the right side. There are so many people here. But I think mostly they are the domestic tourists. I don't know why people like to go to this beach walk, because I think the things there is not really cheap, guys. I mean, it's quite expensive if you compare than the other mall in Bali. It's starting to rain again, guys, so I need to stop this video maybe. Wow, it's raining so heavy. So this is the situations here at the Beach Walk Mall, and it's raining so heavy, guys, so I need to stop somewhere and get my umbrella. That is the situations, guys. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Kuta. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing to this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.